guys, it's your girl, the Bedrock Beauty, and I'm back with another video for you guys. This time it's going to be my VoxBox unboxing, kind of first impressions, review, all of that kind of put into one. For you guys that are not familiar with Influenster, I've done a couple of unboxings from them in the past. It's a free site where you can really check out products, reviews, and review products. And sometimes they'll send out what they call Vox boxes for you to test, which is what this is today. And it just so happens to be a makeup Vox box. So we're going to open it up. Everything is also 100% free. All you have to do is kind of keep up with your reviews, posting pictures and things of that nature. I'll link everything in the description box for you guys to get signed up. This is what the box came. And I was super excited because yes, they send out free boxes, but it's not that often, and when you get picked, it's super exciting. So I was excited when I saw Huda Beauty on there because I've never tried any of their products because they're super expensive. But what we're gonna do is, I guess there's two different things in the box. One is like a perfume style thing, and then the other one is this matte and metal melted eyeshadows. And it's kind of like, the packaging looks like this. Super sleek. It's like a liquid eyeshadow. I've never tried it. Well, I've had really bad luck with liquid eyeshadows in the past. I got a what is it called? I got one from Cover Effects in one of my Boxycharms before, and I just did not like it. But so we're going to be open-minded. I'm going to test this and give you guys my first impressions on it. And then there's also this like perfume quad in here, like little sample perfumes. I'm always nervous when I get perfumes because I'm really picky. But that's pretty much it in the box. So let's get this party started. Well, that's really pretty packaging. Super nice and sleek and clean looking. And on one side I have like a matte, I'm gonna say pinkish nudish color. Both of these colors are something that I probably wouldn't normally wear on a daily basis. This one's called Private Jet. The matte side is called Private Jet. Shimmering Sunset. Okay, so we're gonna start off with the swatch and then we'll get into the makeup look. Okay, so I do like the applicator though. Like, I like this flatness because I feel like I will be able to like work with it. Oh wow, that's really pigmented. Like, that's the swatch. It's so pigmented. Okay. I haven't really looked at these colors prior to this, so I'm kind of trying to think of a makeup look as we go. And this is the applicator. The applicator for the shimmer is different. Kind of almost like a liner. Shimmer is pretty decent so far, but I love to see how it'll swatch on the eyes versus I like to see how things swatch on the eyes because sometimes it'll swatch good or bad on the hand and then be the opposite when you apply it. So as usual, I already done my face. I'm wearing the foundation from I'm wearing Beauty Bar I'm wearing Beauty Bar Bakerie on my face today. And some Colourpop concealer and all that jazz. You know, as usual, everything will be linked in the description bar. So let's zoom in and get this makeup look cracking. and put some lashes on, put my liner on, and come back, give you guys my final thoughts on this eyeshadow duo, and I'll be right back. Alright, this is the for real finished makeup look. Not bad, not bad. I'm liking it a lot, but I'm going to give you guys my honest opinion about this. Now, this is my first ever time trying it. My first time ever trying anything from Huda Beauty. These retail for $25 a piece, which in my opinion is kind of high, but Huda Beauty is kind of like a higher end product. You can get an entire eyeshadow palette for about almost the same price, add a couple bucks. Honestly, the color payoff was okay. I had to add several layers to even get it to come up. And my eyelids feel super heavy. Like I feel like I have glue on my eyelids. Like I can barely like close my eyelids. Like no lie. I will say the matte side I think is what's making my eyelids really sticky. But this side, girl, I love the shimmer side. It's not as thick as the matte side is. It glides on really nicely. Like I really feel like I have a really pretty halo effect going on. But overall, would I purchase this? No. And that's only because I know that there's things that are cheaper that are better. Since I got it for free, I'll probably try to add it into my makeup routine a little bit. More so the shimmer side than this matte side. Is like when I tell you it's so sticky on my eye. And I don't know, maybe I applied too much, but for me to even get the coverage that I was looking for, I had to apply several coats. And I won't say that it's buildable. Maybe if I use a different base, because normally when I film reviews, I'll only use my Urban Decay eyeshadow potion. And I feel, because I want to see how this really reacts on its own. But I think if I work with it, I can probably make it work. But if you're like, should I spend my $25? I'm saying no, but everything works differently for everybody. If you guys like this review, give it a thumbs up, because I'm going to always be super honest with you guys, regardless of whether I get the product for free or if I pay for it. I'm going to tell you my honest opinion. So, if you guys aren't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you know when I'm filming new videos. I got a lot of new content coming for you guys. A lot of new products from Bedrock Cosmetics that we're working on. It's going to be a really good year for Bedrock Beauty. This is going to be a good year for Bedrock Cosmetics. And it's also going to be a good year for Q. So I'm super excited to experience it with you guys. I'm going to keep you updated. I'm going to do a lot of more DIYs. Yada, yada, yada. But before I go, let's smell some of these perfumes though. So I'm not sure. Let's look at it. Is it with Huda Beauty? Okay. It's by some brand called Kai Ali or something like Kai Ali or K Ali or something like that. I have 4 different shades. So what I'm going to do. Okay. So they have 4 shades. There's 4 shades in here. The first one we're looking at is called Vanilla. Just gonna kind of spray. Oh, it's a no for me. No, vanilla smells like something that my grandmother would wear. Yeah, oh, no. Oh gosh. Okay, the next one is called Musk. Ooh, I'm not going to spray this one on my body because the last time it didn't work out so well for me. Okay, this one's a no for me too. I told you guys I'm very picky when it comes to perfumes. Oh my god, these all smell like something my grandmother would wear. No, not knocking my grandmother. I love her, but no. This one is called Citrus. Like, did they make this in an old folks home? Like, what the... Ugh, I'm super irritated. Oh, that's the worst one. Oh. Oh gosh, okay. I'm gonna try to spray this one over here so I can kind of. Okay, this one's not bad. I can deal with this one. This one's not bad. This one's called Elixir 2. Yeah, this one's not bad. I actually like this one. Okay, so 1 out of 4 is Bedrock approved. 1 out of 4 of these are Bedrock approved, but Lord, my office is gonna be smelling like an Offo's home for a couple hours. I already can feel it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I love you guys. Make sure if you're not already, hit the subscribe button so you guys can know what's going on with me and keep updated with our videos. I started super basic and then I just got inspired and wanted to just really do a monochromatic blue. Look, I'm living.